Alright, I'm opening stuff.
What is this I'm sitting on?
I don't know what you're sitting on, but I'm trying to open some stuff. Where's my knife? I'm not sitting on a knife.
Oh, you better clean that up. Look, yo, I cleaned the dining table pretty nice.
You totally cleaned it nice, and I appreciate it. You know who else appreciates it? YouTube appreciates it. I will totally...
And then you literally like, hey, you need the boxes?
I'll totally clean this up.
Left it,
I'll totally...
I was thinking, should I throw this out or not? I don't know. I don't know if I should throw that whatever.
She loves me. See how much she loves me? She just randomly doesn't throw out my stuff. She waits. That's love. I will clean it up, okay? And sometimes I mean it. This time I totally mean it.
And then you have boxes literally look like a junk. I can't wait.
Look how neat that corner is. She's exaggerating. Yeah, my man Cyclops. You know what made me want to get this boy? Clearance prices. Blow. Yeah, man. Look at that X Factor costume. And that crazy eye effect. When you are never, ever going to be in a normal pose. Like, you're going to have Cyclops having a conversation? Absolutely not. Because his visor is constantly on blast mode. He's either like shooting off or he just popped one. And there we go, angry face. This is the head I want. Yeah. Look at that. Damn. That's actually hella nice, dude. This should come with every Cyclops figure from here on. I'm talking to you, bub. Like, damn. That's actually a really nice effect. And made almost nicer by the fact that, you can, get him to, touch his head. Ooh, there we go. We'll just fake it. Damn. That looks good. Alright, on to the next box. Next is going to be Iceman. I got the... derpy-eyed Iceman. I think I just cut his butt off. Damn, yo, actually cutting open this package, I feel like I'm a kid again. I 100% think that's what it's supposed to be like because it's like 1994 or something. Or maybe the 80s. I don't know. I'm looking at it and this is nice and this is a pearl paint job. And, God, these eyes look kind of weird. But at least it's not... I don't know. I wonder. I hope the plastic has just got this pearl stuff mixed in, and it's not translucent because we all know translucent plastic is garbage. And if you don't know translucent plastic is garbage, just buy this figure and give it some time, and then you'll know where I'm coming from. You'll be like, God damn, translucent plastic is garbage, because it is. Translucent plastic. Jabba the Hutt. Translucent plastic is very fragile, and it over time it will definitely break on you. Whether it is an Iceman or a Vision figure or your lack of waist articulation. Huh. Yeah, okay. But Iceman comes with a cool base but no extra hands. Yeah, the one thing that's retro about this figure is the lack of accessories. This line is making it happen. I'm taking a poop. Yeah, Silver Surfer, you are not my guy. Oh, I had Silver Surfer and I sold him. And I miss him. Guess I gotta get him again. Along with the whole Fantastic Four line. I'm listening. Alright. Next in my building an X-Men team, Storm. And I don't know why, but Storm is the only figure so far that's come with a warning. God damn, whatever it is, it's important enough to warn you in like 20 languages. Yeah, I'll read that never. Alright, let's see what we got here. Ooh, God, you know what I love the most right out the box? Flat feet, no heels. Heels are stupid. Trying to put a figure on heels and expecting it to stand is ridiculous. I'm talking to you, Black Cat. So yeah, Storm. Again, 0 accessories, but this figure is nice. Not much going on in the face. You know, really no paint apps, but it still looks very nice and it's very clean. So yeah, I can get this girl in a flight stand like a badass. So we got Slip and Slide Iceman there. We got Storm here. We got Cyclops in the background. We got Storm, the goddess, over there. We got 90s Wolverine over here. Yep, that's right. I got the Love Triangle 3-pack. Actually, a really weird premise to base a 3-pack on, but I guess it was a way for Hasbro to give you another Cyclops figure if you missed the first one in the Jean Grey that we all wanted but didn't deserve. Not the figure we deserved, the figure we needed. Another Cyclops in the background, and you know what, Cyclops, just stay down. You suck. And Jean. So, like, what is this? This is like a 90s party up in here. Oh, yeah. So, building an X-Men team. And you can't even see her. So if you're like, why do you need to build an X-Men team? This is like, they announced the Sentinel. And I'm like, alright, well, if there's ever a reason to get back into Marvel Legends, that's it. That and that new retro Spidey buck. Hell, man. Yeah. So, okay, well, that's it, everybody. You see what I got here. Just, back in the Marvel Legends game a little bit. Starting to build an X-Men collection again. And, this is where I'm at so far. So far, I'm at a bunch of figures I can't stand. But I'm sure I'm not the only one. The Cyclops, a Jean, and an Iceman. You got 3 of the originals. Beast is hella hard to find, but I'm sure they'll find a way to re-release him in the next year. Jean, you're a little too close. You're like hogging all the focus. Got this whole classic Cyclops in the back doing his thing. This is such a cool optic blast effect. And, God dang it. Whatever. Alright, thanks for watching.